This video is going to walk you through what you do when you are going to be running out of inventory before your inventory is set to arrive based on your lead time. So you can see, for example, in this order, we've got a notification saying that we're going to be running out of inventory before it arrives. So what we do is we click on this card, and this might happen, maybe you have an uptick in sales unpredictably, such as being featured on a podcast unexpectedly or something of the sort. So you're going to run out of inventory before this 60 days is up. So how do you fix this? All right, so you go into the process of creating your PO. And all of your information is going to populate. Your supplier, you will enter your PO number, and then your product, the amount that is being suggested, as well as the unit price and the lead time. So here's what you can do. You can either change this lead time altogether and ship all of your inventory a different way, or you can do what is probably most cost effective and split the shipment. So we'll say we're splitting the shipment and we're going to send 1,000 units by sea and then the other 538 units by air. So we would go into this lead time and we would edit this lead time. Now, you might have lead times already set up in terms of shipping by air. So then you can use this drop down and select the ship by air feature, which you have already set up, the ship by air lead time, or whatever other lead time you have set up, which is your expedited lead time. If you do not, you can just change your lead time structure here. You would go to ocean freight, and then you would change this to air freight, and you would change the number of days. Let's say it's 7 days for air freight. And then you would click confirm. And now you would have two lead times. You would have the lead time for ocean, where you're sending 1,000 units, and the lead time for air, where you're sending 500 units. This could potentially cut down on your cost of sending everything by air, but at the same time, keep you from running out of inventory. And then you would just sign the document. You would save and preview as normal, and that would be it. All right, there you go.